I am utterly speechless. I guess this is a new thing for Environment Canada now, I guess. An update between 10 and 12 a.m. 10 p.m. and then at 12 a.m. But holy shit. What an update. So let's take you through each two periods here. So, starting off with tonight, on Friday, introduction of fog patches possible. Humidity is currently at 100%, as you can see here. I'm trying not to show the next period. So 100% humidity, I guess I'll show it fully later on. But yeah, fog patches. And next two periods, Friday night and oh god, Friday night and Saturday, we now have just straight up, not a few flurries, just flurries beginning before morning, with also the risk of freezing rain. Yikers. Then Saturday is still roughly the same. Next two periods, everything's still roughly the same around here. But this is where it starts changing again. Sunday night, Monday. Sunday night has significantly changed. I forgot what the initial temperature was for Sunday night, but it was definitely not -4. Next two periods, they have now either upgraded Monday night or Tuesday to a 60% chance of flurries, and everything beyond that has still been kept the same. In other words, we're in for a significant treat starting this weekend. Holy shit. Yeah, here you go. 100% humidity. Wind chill -6. Feels like wind chill -6, actually -4. We head to, I don't know about freezing rain warning, but they have issued it for just the simplest of possibilities. So, oh yeah, and then a new 11 p.m. update just came out. Yeah, it's -4 still. It was initially -5 at 9, but it's warmed up a tad bit. It's starting to cool down again though. Humidity's hanging around 100%. Only thing 95 and above. I don't know about fog, but dew points it. Valley cloud seems a lot more likely. What a forecast by Environment Canada. Just overall, what an amazing update by Environment Canada. Holy shit. I cannot wait to see what 5 a.m. brings. The 5 a.m. update brings tomorrow morning. This is just wow. That's just made my night. Quite a nice chance here for the end of the week for some good wintry precipitation. Something happening here, especially considering that Saturday night's low was 3 and then Sunday night -4. And then just a big period of a chance of flurries for the start of next week. Just overall, an amazing update from Environment Canada, and I cannot wait to see what the 5 a.m. update brings. Hopefully it's not any shadier. Hopefully it's about the same or better. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the morning. What a start to the video. Alrighty. Here's the forecast. Not much really. Just that now since Saturday is in range. Localized snowfall of 2 centimeters possible with 40 km/h wind gusts possible tomorrow. On top of the freezing rain threat. As well as this is still here, so that's still a chance. As well as now we got this. Cools down. It's definitely winter. Winter is definitely going to make its rounds next week. Other than that, not much has really changed with Environment Canada's forecast. We should go ahead here. Yeah, freezing rain possible. That'll be something if it actually evolves, but very doubtful. Here's the weather's forecast. Not much better, really. I mean, quite a bit worse, really. But I mean, later on next week, it comes back around again. See there. And then it cools back down. This looks like we're going to be officially in winter for the rest of the season, starting later this week, later next week, early next week. Let's see. I just realized that's new. It used to be just 36 hour, now it's 7 days. You just go through the 4 periods of 7 days. It's cool. You won't be doing that though. There you guys go. Not much else really to say. Let's see what the 11 a.m. update does to the forecast. Hopefully that doesn't screw it. I'll see you guys later today. Here we've gotten it! Yes! Our first winter-related special weather statement of the year has been issued. Wait, no. No, yeah, I don't... wait. Yeah, this is... I think this is the first one, like, official one for here. Yeah, this is the first one. Yes. The 11 a.m. update changed quite a bit. Now its flurry is going to transition to a few rain showers and then ending near noon. And then mainly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Risk of freezing rain from just before morning till early in the morning. And localized snowfall amounts still at 2 centimeters, and winds still from the south at 40k gusts. Other than that, everything's still the same here. But we have gotten our first yes. So let's just take a brief overview here of what this is stating. So risk of freezing rain tonight and Saturday morning. Yeah. Warm air aloft combined with near or below zero temperatures at the surface will result in freezing rain. The flurries with the risk of freezing rain will change to rain showers Saturday afternoon. But yeah. Yeah. So in other words, it's not a definite chance we'll see freezing rain, so we'll see. So it's either going to be snow or freezing rain. It's going to be one of the two. That's the definite part. It's going to be either freezing rain or snow, or both. And as a little fun fact, I've never seen freezing rain here ever. I've never witnessed any freezing rain here. So if somehow we manage it tonight/tomorrow, that'll be a first. But either way, we're just waiting for the 4 p.m. update, which I'll show you guys sometime later on. Not right away, but yeah. And then it gets really cold later on next week. But yeah, our second winter event of the year is coming around tonight/Saturday. We'll see how that one goes. Yeah, I will see you guys later today. Yeah. It's really coming down now. What the hell is this stuff? What is this stuff? I think this is freezing rain or ice pellets. This is the weirdest fucking thing. Oh, it's accumulating. And it's not slippery. I think this is just straight ice pellets. Shit, it's really coming down. The heaviest part's actually just to our west here, coming in now. Look at that. I think we're getting a mixture of ice pellets and rain. And rain is never good because, yeah, freezing rain because temperatures are definitely cold enough right now. Holy shit. It's really coming now. Holy fuck. Can't really see much of it. Can't really see much of it there. Can really hear it now. She's really coming down. And she's picked up quite a bit. Holy shit. You're getting some serious ice pellets. It's like hail. I think this is actually a mixture of... It's actually... Yeah. Listen to this. Just listen to this. This is some heavy shit. Holy crap. Sorry. Oh shit. Some really heavy ice pellets right now. Mixed with rain, I believe. Wow. So technically speaking, every model got this wrong. Literally everyone. Like, look at that. Wow. It's definitely a weird ass mixture. Don't know really how to think of this, other than what the hell. It's picking up. That's just some really solid ice pellets. I really would not be surprised if we get like heavier rates here in a little bit. It's just around the corner. So yeah. Wowzers. Some really downright serious ice pellets right now. Jesus. She's definitely picking up. If anything, they're getting bigger. Which is really... So that's what I was hearing when I was getting ready. Just ready to get out of the bathroom. This is some of the heaviest ice pellets like legit ice pellets I've ever seen. Or whatever this kind of variant of precipitation this is. That's nice. Over time, I expect this to switch over to possibly even as much as snow. That is a soothing sound. Holy crap, listen to that. Can I close the door? Oh, crap. I'm supposed to close the door. This is some of the heaviest, the most heaviest precipitation other than rain and snow I've seen in quite some time. Wow. Unless these temperatures drop, this ain't switching anytime soon. Yeah, this is just straight ice pellets now. I get straight hardcore ice pellets. And I mean, over time, this could easily turn into just its own freezing rain, I guess. It's accumulating in some spots. Is it accumulating in the grass is my question. That'd be cool. Something tells me this is more of a ice pellet snow mixture, even. I could go as far as. Yeah, it's ice pellets. Quite literally. I've never seen ice pellets actually like this before. I mean, I've seen ice pellets a little bit more whiter than this, I guess, a lot more clearer than this. But this just takes it to a whole new level. Let me feel this real quick. Oh, wow. That feels really nice. This is just basically freezing rain material. Can you hear? Surreal. Hit under the light here. There's 2 cars coming. Not what I want. Unbelievable. Whoa! Yeah, this is some of the biggest ice pellets I've ever seen. Like, in this variant. And if anything, this might be switching over to snow. This is... Holy crap. I don't know what to consider it. Than ice pellets. It's just... Unless that's all it is. I mean, I'm getting close to this, and it's almost looking like it might be switching over here, because it's... Unless it's just getting a lot heavier. You can really see it there. I'm just gonna head back to my original spot. Too many cars, even though it's 11:30 at night. Unbelievable scenes. Ice pellets. November 22nd, 2019. Second winter-related event of the year. Could it be switching over to snow here in a bit? We'll find out. I mean, it doesn't have much time. I mean, this is kind of just a recipe for freezing, for icy conditions, because it's ice pellets. It's close enough to freezing rain. That really just sets me up right here and saying we're not getting freezing rain, but we're getting ice pellets, which will just melt enough on contact that it'll do this, as you can see here. I can't tell if it's picking up, but I'm looking at the lights here, and it's looking like it's picking up, so I can see it a lot better now. Okay, she ain't slowing down. Like, I don't know. It's almost as if it's trying to switch to snow, but it's just not cold enough at the surface, at the lower levels. In other words, the level is just below the warm layer. If it wasn't for that, we would be probably getting snow right now, and it would be a lot heavier actually than this. But straight up, this is some of the coolest shit I've seen. I mean, this is the closest thing to freezing rain I've ever gotten, so it's a plus. Absolutely amazing. Listen to that. It's accumulation. This accumulation is perfect. Unbelievable. You can hear it on the roads now. I don't know if it was just a guy really trying to accelerate, or it's already starting to get a little bit icy. Yeah, I'm starting to feel the surface now. It's starting to make its own little icy layer. That's actually not good. If anything, it's like actually accumulating now too, like not as a liquid as like a solid. Oh, my battery's not. This is some of the greatest shit I've seen probably this season so far. It even beats the snowfall. Unbelievable. We're actually gonna go on the roads and test them out. Head on over to the roads here, see how icy they are. The one thing that's really weird about this ice pellets is there's no fog. It's just falling. I think that's actually how it's supposed to be. It's lightening up a little bit, I can hear it. It's definitely a little bit, it's very tad bit lighter. It's not too light, but it's definitely. Don't know if it's taking that transition to rain or if it's actually slowing down. Or if maybe it's switching to snow, I don't know. So I mean, temperatures are like kind of like in that battleground for who wants to be what. But I mean, you can really see it accumulating on the roads here. As shown by these these tire tracks I've shown. We're going to take a quick little test here to see how icy these things are. Take a little run up. I'm doubtful it's going to be that icy. Nah, it's not even close. I think it's on the smoother surfaces it's actually icier. This is really rugged. I think it's just lightening up. That or it's switching over to snow because it feels a lot lighter now. Like it's like a lighter. So, here's something along the fence line here. Not this one, the one back there. been having a rat issue. So. Unbelievable. My head's gonna be just icy. It's gonna be so icy there. It's pretty steady. It's not heavy, but it's not light. I wonder what it shows up on the current conditions. They don't have anything for ice pellets. All they have is snow and rain and freezing rain. No sleet or ice pellets, so that'll be fun to see. See, it's like dripping off the walls. Makes it run the fine line of, I wonder if it's really hard to tell if there's something mixed with this. It's definitely not just straight up ice pellets. There's either rain or snow mixed in, because some pieces feel a lot lighter than the actual ice pellets. But yeah, cool stuff. I'm gonna go ahead in now. I'll be maybe back up later, but my battery's dying. I was not prepared for this. I was ready for it's kind of like an early morning thing, not a 11 o'clock thing. But yeah, I'll be back up probably within like 15 minutes. Give this camera a little bit of a charge. Forecast. Now it says tonight flurries with a risk of freezing rain. This is at the airport though. I'm surprised. 2 degrees and light rain. Anyways. Flurries changing rain, few rain showers in the morning, risk of freezing rain instead of before morning, it goes into in the morning. Still look-wise 2 centimeter snowfall totals, still 40 km/h wind gusts possible tomorrow, much of tomorrow. A little bit of a change though. This is still up for grabs, 60% chance of flurries Monday night and Tuesday, but they have removed Tuesday and Wednesday 30% chance and replaced it with quite a bit colder temperatures. Quite a bit cooler temperatures, though it does seem like it moderates here. But as we can see, some cloudy period. Mix of sun and clouds, so that could mean something after Thursday, but eek. Not, yeah. But this is how the hourly looks. Just an 80% chance of flurries with the risk of freezing rain from now until 9 a.m. And that switches over to a few showers for much of the day. And then switches over to a chance of showers at 6. There's that, and then last thing here is the radar. This is the snow template, or snow template, I guess I can say it. Can't find out, I can't figure out the word right now. But yeah. It's decent stuff. It looked like it was gonna pass through here, but it looks like it's just gonna make one last run at it before it passes through completely. I think this is going to be the last bit of it. I think this is actually what was expected just to form here. Instead, it formed way over here. I think that's what was supposed to happen, but anyways, that's how it is. Special weather statement hasn't changed either. It's been updated twice since 4 p.m. So, other than that, it looks like it's just going to be. Temperatures are going to warm up actually a little bit, and then they're going to cool right back down. And that should be the sign of winter arriving. Perfectly timed with the arrival of December. So, yeah. I'll see you guys outside in just a little bit. Well, it's steadily increasing the temperature, as is the wind. Now it's 13 kilometers out of south-southeast. temperatures up to 3. Weather should be -1. So whatever the case, we're still gonna get rain. But yeah, that's how the radar's been. Gonna check HRY later, then head to bed. After this, and head to bed. See if waking up at 7 will be appropriate, or if I need to wake up a tad bit earlier. There you guys go. I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, nothing materialized. This was literally what was expected. Right there, you see that? This was what not really expected like that, but I mean, it was expected to kind of like to form like that up here, farther north, but it did the same thing, just a lot farther south, east and south, west and south, I mean, so. But other than that, nothing's really happened, and I don't think anything will happen. So, special weather statement, but I expect that to be dropped in the coming hours. And as well, no snow expected, but significant moderation, significant outbreak of cold air is expected. Starting kind of, I guess, maybe Monday night, Tuesday onward. Highs of -4 and lows -9 and colder. So in other words, it's going to kind of be like a December cold outbreak. So it's not going to be like your typical winter January thing. But I just realized, look at that, flurries possible till 11 a.m. despite the temperatures being at 2 degrees. Wow. They're really trying to grip onto this, aren't they? Anyways, that's how that is, but there's another quick thing I want to show before I shut it off. We're expecting a cold front to pass through later today. They're predicting winds, especially since they're coming from the north, winds of 60 to 90 kilometers an hour. 90 kilometers an hour for coastal areas here, kind of like 50 to 70 inland. Though, as you saw with the forecast, it's only showing, let's go back, 40 kilometer hour winds, but we'll see. Either way, cold fronts are expected to pass through today. Maybe we'll get a shot at flurries, especially since it's going to be associated with the cold front, so it could be another flip verse of it. Could be colder temperatures down here, warmer temperatures down here, but colder aloft. So maybe we'll see how that goes. Other than that, just ice pellets last night, and that was it. I'll see you guys outside in just a little bit. So it's been steadily at 4 degrees all of today. It's been steady at 4 degrees roughly since 7 a.m. And it's been between 3.8 degrees and exactly 4 degrees since 8 a.m. So, yeah. As well, it's starting to get windy outside. I'm looking outside right now, and it's starting to get a little bit gusty. It's, I'd say 20-30 k's right now. Very isolated gust, but still happening. Chance of showers rest of today, 40% chance tonight. Still 40 kilometer winds, gusting, 40 kilometer wind gust till late this evening. And still cold temperatures for the start of next week. Well, for early mid next week. Yep, few showers, and at 5 p.m. then they turn to a chance of showers until 5 a.m. tomorrow. When I head outside right now, I'll be right with you. So, nothing happened last night. I can confirm that. I checked through the past 24 hours. No winds. though the station the airport did report steady rainfall, but I checked the historical images and when it passed through, and wow, it was a pretty weak line. I mean, there was lines like Euro was going for, and it was actually almost perfect, actually. It was the second line behind the one we were getting hit by that was actually pretty strong. So, yeah, but that never hit here, so meh. Anyways, now, so this next thing we're looking at here is the windy conditions for Tuesday night and Wednesday. And it's gonna be pretty damn cold, but I mean, these could easily be just some 30 carries gusting to 50, so it could be just pretty plain Jane crap ones. So, but either way, cold settles in for Wednesday and sticks around. It doesn't really change much. Yeah, there's that, and then the weather. Ready to scroll all the way up. Yeah, they're going for -12 as well for Thursday. But then they say it warms up, but we didn't get snow out of it, so I don't know. Let me see there. Yeah, I don't buy it though. To be fair, I would rather have cold over I'd rather have cold and snow than like near freezing and snow, because it doesn't stick around as long. And there's a chance of rain and snow mix or snow rain showers this afternoon and for the evening and overnight hours. But the thing is, when you go check this out, there's your flurries that are possible, 11 and 12 a.m. Nothing beyond that. And then the afternoon shit's just for 3 p.m. So, yeah. But yeah, there you guys go. It's gonna be pretty boring until Wednesday or till Tuesday night comes around. So, yeah. I'll see you guys later today with the 11 a.m. forecast update. So, yeah. Maybe waking up early in the morning would have been a smart idea. I mean, I did say it was steady rain, or in other words, kind of like heavy rain almost, was being reported at the airport at around 3 a.m. Look what also happened. Oh yeah, just a lightning strike. That's all. Despite it being pretty far northeast of us, we still would have seen the nice light from it. I could have possibly seen my first lightning strike in November, but nope. Let's just sleep the whole entire night, because, let's just throw out Europe because it screwed up one forecast. Because it just screwed up one portion of the forecast, which was the wind. Yeah, let's just throw that out. So, in reality, Euro was actually correct. They actually got this right. Thunderstorm, light/water thunderstorm did end up happening. I just decided to sleep through it. Yeah. No wind, but definitely looked quite special. Definitely looked quite nice precipitation-wise. Well, yeah, I'll see you guys at 11 a.m. update now. Son of a bitch. Here's the forecast, new update. It's introduced 30% chance of rain showers with flurries tonight. Still low of -2. Kind of going with what the weather is currently forecasting. But here's how it is. It's going to start at 11 and then at 3 a.m. So this is going to be flurries, and this is all going to be flurries as well. And this is the actual period of the mixture possibilities for rain. But yeah, it sucks, but yeah, that's all we're going to get. And afterwards, we gotta wait till Tuesday night before we get anything interesting again, so we'll see how that goes. See you guys later today, I guess, sometime. Well, here's the forecast. The current conditions. 10 degrees. Record is 13 degrees exactly. It's 10.3 right now. And it's not as windy at the airport as it is here, so that's unique. Anyways, weather forecast looks pretty good. It has a 40% chance of scattered flurries at 9, changing to a 60% chance of scattered flurries at 10, and that lasts till 12 a.m. and then switches over to a 40% chance of a few flurries for 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. and then it stops, cuts. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I like the Weather Network's forecast right now. And they're actually pretty bang on with the forecast, unless they just updated it. But yeah, 6% chance of flurries tonight. Yeah, we'll see how that one goes. I'll be awake for much of it. I'll be awake for much of the 60% period. From much of this period, I'll probably be in bed by the 1 a.m. thing, but at least I'm in for the best part. So, anyways, there you guys go. See the 14-day. Nothing much. I will see you guys later. Oh, not much else wind-wise happened today, so anyways, 4 p.m. update here. Not much has really changed, really. Yeah, still cold. And now there's just a chance of rain showers or flurries, and otherwise maybe mixtures. Mixture is possible from 10 to 2 now instead of 11 to 3. So they've pushed it back an hour. So, yeah, we have that, I guess, but that starts up around now, and conveniently enough, right around 10 o'clock here. Look at that. And bang. So, yeah. It should also show something noteworthy. Just a little bit here. Okay. Just... yeah, it's 3.1 degrees to be exact. Look at this. That's definitely signifying of a cold front. Check the surface analysis, and yeah, I can't agree. That's probably a cold front just passed through, but because it just switched from the south to the north now, and the temperatures have dropped from 6.2 to 2.6 in a matter of an hour. So yeah, possibly even colder, because I mean these are bi-hourly. So, and now it's just been hopping here, as you can tell. But yeah, it was a little bit gusty today. Yeah, 40k, up to almost 40k. Anyways, got warm today, then it cooled down quite quick. I thought it was going to stay pretty cold, but never mind. Other than that, I'll see you guys probably later tonight, if not in the morning. So either way, see you guys later tonight or in the morning. Okay, so checked outside. It's doing a little bit of rain. It's not really. It says that's about 3 degrees here as well. So, and as per usual, an update has came out between 10 and 10 p.m. and 12 a.m. It's cooled down Monday quite significantly. It's gone from 5 to 2 degrees now. Though it has warmed up a little bit for Tuesday here, especially nighttime and Monday night. Tuesday's about the same, though they have removed the windy conditions for Tuesday night, but It's not to be worried. I'm not surprised with that. Wednesday's still on par. Daytime, Wednesday overall has warmed up a little bit now as well. Thursday high has warmed up a little bit, but the nighttime has cooled down quite a bit. Cooled down a little bit. Friday, holy shit, they really dropped Friday's temperatures down. This is about the same, I believe, but they have just dropped this period's temperatures, while everything else is. Saturday has stayed the same, and Tuesday has stayed the same. So this has dropped. This has dropped, I believe, and this has dropped, while everything else has warmed up. Oh, this dropped as well. This is warmed up. This is warmed up. This is warmed up. This is warmed up. Even just a slight bit counts as warmed up. This is warmed up. And yeah. Oh yeah, now we're still the same 2 a.m. Yeah, in other words, it's not bad of an update, I'm not gonna lie. And as we can tell, a little bit of showers sticking around. You can see there's more coming up from down here. The train of precipitation starting to move south, more farther south. So, yeah. There you guys go. I'll see you guys in the morning. Son of a bitch. I did miss snow last night. I checked the Drive BC webcam before I went to bed and noticed the drops were really thick. Like, on the webcam. It's like, oh. I thought nothing of it. I thought it was just really heavy rain. But then I thought, rain never gets picked up as well as it did. Ever. And then, now I wake up, back fucking door. Whoa, whoa. Roads are icy. This isn't as bad. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Yeah. You can see it all over the ground. God, that's spicy shit. My God. Really icy. It's like some surfaces didn't ice up as quick, I guess. But yeah, we did get all what looks to be like ice pellets of sleet. I think it was sleet or very wet snow, I can't tell. It melted too much on contact. But it's just icy, isn't it? Surprisingly not. For the most part, I didn't. For the most part, it's not that. This is how it looks. Didn't show you guys the 5 a.m. or 11 a.m. because there was nothing much changed. But, anyways. Yeah, Tuesday. Wind chill of -9 in the afternoon. And then Tuesday night, 50-kilometer gust from the north. Wind chill of -14. And then God knows what Wednesday night's gonna be. If it's like -9 degrees colder than the actual temperature with 50k gusts. I presume if that's the case also Wednesday overnight. I would presume that's probably gonna be like, maybe like, almost -20 wind chills. But that's only if these actually happen, so. Anyway, it's still pretty cold, though it does slowly moderate, but takes quite a bit of time. Probably it's gonna last for a full 7 days, 1 week, so yeah. Yeah, this is the afternoon apparently. And -9, 5 o'clock. Okay. Anyways, not much else really other than that. I mean, a brief look at the radar here. There's been a little bit of scattered stuff hanging around. Oh yeah, there's also a I'll show that, but there's been a special weather statement issued. I guess I'll just special weather statement issued all around us. All around us. Look at the temperatures. Look at the temperatures. They're about the same. If anything, they're actually even slightly warmer than us. And then look at this. And then look at us. And then look back. Look at them. Look back at us. Like, we are so much colder than them. We are definitely colder than, just as cold or colder than them, and we're still not in a special weather statement for some godforsaken reason. 9 times out of 10 is because the wind chill isn't as ridiculously cold. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, I'll see you guys probably later tonight with a 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. update. If it has anything significantly changed. So here's the 10:30 forecast. It's not too shabby. They cooled down Tuesday quite a little bit here. Wednesday night as well. Not too much, but a little bit. Yeah. I don't know actually about this. I think they warmed it up a little bit. I meant to say warmed up. Warmed it up a little bit, but there's 11. That was initially -5, -7. Feels like -7, but no, it's just -5. Yeah, they've warmed up Wednesday just a tad bit, but they have cooled down. They have kept Friday the same, Thursday generally the same, I believe, but they have cooled down Saturday a tad bit. Now it's supposed to be as cold as Friday, -7, but obviously it's gonna be a big drop as well. There's stuff. No, I'm not too sure. I'm not even gonna actually say it, so I'm not too sure what's actually gonna happen later next week, but all I know is that temperatures are going to start moderating to more near seasonal near monthly, near normal temperatures. Trying to find the right wording, but it won't be. I don't know. We'll see, but we should get back to more near normal temperatures, maybe slightly below later next week. But for the rest of starting tomorrow, we're gonna be in a nice little deep freeze. Starts off pretty wussy like, and then it starts kicking in. But other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow with the hope they have a special weather statement extended to our region, because we definitely deserve it. And I'll see you guys in the morning.
Nothing's really changed right on the winds. The winds have been introduced now. Oh, sorry. feet while in the job. Let me guys go. I'll see you guys later today sometime. No special weather statement still.
Of course. I'm not outside, and it fucking snows. I mean, I checked the forecast. I don't even bother checking the radar, and it snows. I mean, you can tell it was very quick and light, but it happened. Breeze hasn't started up yet, but now it's straight up snow. You can tell by the looks of things here. Oh my god. Day has been going well, and now this has just made it worse. I miss more flurries, and you know what? I want to know where. See it. I'll probably wake up to it in the morning because it'll obviously be below freezing. Let's see where it is. Jeez, these stairs are frozen. It's right down here. For Christ's sake. I'm so done with this. So yeah, we just got a slight bit of snow. Fun. I've never felt more alive. So that's the fourth one. Missed 2 and I've seen 2. Here's the forecast, 4 p.m. Not much has truly changed other than they've pushed the winds down to 40k for tonight, starting after midnight, and then increasing to 60k near noon, the wind chill near -14, and then 60 kilometer gusts diminishing to 20 gusting to 40 near midnight, low of -10. With a wind chill of nearly -20, -18. And other than that, it's not really changed too much. But yeah, so like I said, 40k gusts started at actually midnight, my bad. Sorry, just right. Ocean. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, so there you go. 40k wind gusts possible all of tonight. And then picks up right there at 12 p.m. That's where your -18 wind chills come to play if they stick around for 10 o'clock, which is unlikely, but it all depends on the low. Depends how low the temperatures get. So if maybe it's like 20 to 40k gusts, 20 kilometer winds gusting to 40, maybe we'll still get -18 if it's maybe like -10 or something. But it's doubtful. Anyways, wait to see what they do with the 10:30 update, but I've also what's the word for it? I've I've connected with Environment Canada. I've sent a reply to Environment Canada stating why we're not in a special weather statement, and apparently it's because wind chills aren't cold enough. Their bare minimum is -15, and apparently because it's going to be -14 tonight, it doesn't count, but what? So maybe they'll issue it at 10 when they issue the update, I don't know. But it seems a little fishy how we're not going to get even though they're predicting below -15 wind chills, it's no special weather statement still, but that's what I got from them. I sent them a tweet. They replied back saying we're not cold enough for the special weather statement by 1 whole degree, so rip. But we should see one be issued by tomorrow morning, quite honestly, once the wind chills are more predictable. But other than that, I'll see you guys later tonight, because I'm very certain there will be an update. Well, this is what I mean. I just assumed. Well, I mean, that was at 11 o'clock, and I checked on it 40 minutes later. So I guess that's fair. But what's also gained my attention is the weird increase in temperature. Look at that. It's gone from -3 right down to right up to -1. Oh yeah, also today it was a little gusty. I missed the best part of it right there at 2 o'clock, 41k gust. Got down to -8 this morning with well, not this morning, but yesterday morning with a wind chill of -11. And a light wind from the north-northeast. Most of the night was pretty damn cold. But yeah. Well, I guess there's gonna be no update tonight, but we'll see what they do tomorrow morning, if they want to issue a special weather statement or if they're just gonna drop it. It's no longer a need, no longer a thing to be concerned about. Come on. But yeah, there you guys go. I'll probably see you guys in the morning, but in the unlikely case, I might see you guys later tonight if the winds decide to kick up a little bit more. But yeah, I'll see you guys either more than likely tomorrow, later in the morning.
Here's the forecast. Not much to it. They've warmed up the temperatures a tad bit. I forgot which night it was, but it was initially -14, but they've warmed it up for quite a little bit. A tad. No, wind chills are no longer expected to be at -18 either, but still -15. Yeah. Saturday's a tad bit colder now as well. It warms up quickly, then we're back to more near normal temperatures for December, because that's, yeah. There you guys go. I will see you guys later sometime. Yeah.
Hey, shit's already falling over. Got windy. Well, it's getting windy now. Nowhere near as windy as it was earlier right now, though. Look at the houses up there. I swear I see a skiff of snow everywhere. And the mountains to my southeast. Oh my god, this breeze.
close to the worst of this yet. Not even close. My hands are frozen already. Keep my left hand as warm as possible. These are certainly, wow. I would set my GoPro, but why bother when there's not even much leaves or anything? It's just funneling right through this. Yeah, 30-kilometer gust at the airport. If that says enough about how they update, I think it says quite a bit. I'm just gonna go in a little bit here. God damn. Feel my right hand. Oh my god. Then I'm gonna probably head out now. Alrighty. Finally out. Didn't go home today for lunch, so still looks like it's going good. I know there's a special weather statement in place. They just issued it this morning. I don't know, this morning, but I'll show you guys that as soon as the Wi-Fi starts working, which is going to be in just a little bit. You can't tell truly how windy it is because there's no leaves. You never get enough. I'm going to show you guys the, well, show you guys the shit on here. So here's the forecast, 11 o'clock. Special weather statement in place, 60k gusts possible the rest of today till midnight. Oh no, yeah, till 11 a.m. sorry. The wind chill of -16, -15, -16. Starts warming up quite quick after the weekend. Now it's a low of a high of -8 Saturday. Special weather statement here. Just let that load. Yeah, strong. It's just for, believe it or not, it's just for strong gusty winds more so. Yeah. 70k gusts are likely, however, there's a risk of locally higher winds. So, in other words, higher than 70k. Oh shit, there's buckets falling behind me. Yeah. I've been waiting for an to get over the interior with deep and all that. But yeah, they have that in place now. So, just cruising. But yeah, there we go. Got up to 1 degree though, so there's no wind chill value, despite it probably more so feeling like -6, -7 right now with these wind gusts. I'll be right back. Oh yeah, I should also mention the winds here. Should also go check out these winds. After this, then I'll peace in here just for a little bit. Past 24 hours. Yeah, they've been pretty much sustained at around 50 to 60K for much of the day. They peaked at 12 o'clock, roughly. They've been dying down since then, though. Well, they've been maintaining now. It looks like it's in the window a little bit. Mind you, these gusts have been very localized. So, like, there could be a long period of nothing, and then all of a sudden just whips in for a couple minutes. But, yeah. It was a little bit gusty last night as well. Whoa. Those winds that funnel right through. But yeah, there you guys go. I'll see you guys in just a little bit again. So yeah, nothing's changed. Watching though. The wind chill is supposed to be a little tad bit warmer. It's supposed to be around -15 now. Something tells me they're probably just going to keep the, let's see, so it's going to be -15 at 8, and just 8. So something tells me they may keep it around till tomorrow morning and then drop it, or they're going to drop it tonight, like before 12. We'll see. But yeah, now they're expecting the winds to die off at 8 o'clock, so start slowly dying off at 8, around 7, 8, and then completely die off by 3 a.m., so yeah, I missed most of it, but yeah, we'll see how the rest of the month goes. We got 3 days left. Well, if we're not including today. No, so 28th, 29th, yeah, if I'm not including today. Yeah. So there you guys go. I'll probably see you guys sometime later today. Probably for another further wind update. So, the maximum wind gust recorded was 61.2 kilometers an hour. The wind gusts above 50K have been from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So obviously there's been little breaks in between, as you guys saw. There's times where it got down to 48, 49, all that, so close enough. Yeah. Yeah, that also breaks new wind records today. We got some wind records broken. The maximum wind speed recorded today was roughly 45 kilometers an hour, beating world records from 2006. And the maximum wind gust of 61.2 kilometers an hour beats the maximum wind gust of 50 kilometers an hour from 2006 as well. So these are unofficial, but they will likely we'll see if they become official tomorrow or Friday. They process the new record information before they decide to. And sometimes it doesn't show up in this little events box that shows up here. A weather record, daily weather records broken here, shows up here. But either way, we'll see if it becomes official tomorrow or Friday. But yeah, just thought I'd show that. Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah, I guess winds were supposed to go until 8, and they really make the last of it. Wow. The wind chill's apparently -8, but I'd like to say otherwise here. Smoky. Yeah. I can't tell. Jeez. Really cold. I'll be right back. I'm gonna see if I can pull out some gloves. Let's go. That was a 50-60 gust. Holy shit. What the hell? These winds have kicked up. Holy crap. And I did notice with the surface analysis, the isobar lines have been tightening, actually. Like as if we're getting ready for the last run at it. Holy shit. Got out just at the right time. Wow. Let's head down here. I gotta see the flag. That was a gust and a half. Hopefully I captured it. I'm just checking on my... Yeah. Holy shit. They're really kicking up. I'm looking at the flag. I don't know if you can see that. If I remember to, I might brighten it. But that flag is really starting to go. I'm gonna head back over here. Actually, we're gonna chill here for a bit again. Wow. It was literally dead at 5 o'clock, and all of a sudden it's just kicked back up again. God, that was a gust and a half there. I heard the power lines whistling, so it was definitely 50-60 K there. Let's head back this way. That was a decent gust. Jeez. Strong, one of the strongest I've seen today. Wow. Close the door. Sorry. Just fits in the moment. Yeah, and now it looks, I mean, it's definitely a lot more persistent than what it was this afternoon, but it was home. It was definitely persistent.
So funny enough, it's only -1 right now. That's quite unbelievable part. It's actually not that cold right now. This Arctic dry air is just ridiculous. Wow. Just taking one last crack at it very clearly enough. Okay, so quite a bit has changed. So, this is still relatively the same. This is all the same, just except now we have the wind chills. Possibly a wind chill of -16 tomorrow night. Yeah. And then Friday's nighttime temperatures have warmed up a tad, I believe. Saturdays as well, but Sunday has cooled down quite significantly all around. Monday daytime has warmed up a little bit. Cooled down a little bit, and this has been turned to cloudy periods instead of cloudy. And Tuesday night has cooled down a tad as well. Used to be 0. This used to be 0 degrees. This used to be -2. No. Yeah, -2 or -1, I believe. This used to be like -4. I think this was like -9. This used to be -13, -13. And everything else up here is relatively the same. That's why I think I just checked over the footage from earlier, so that's why I think it is. So I think that's what the changes are. I'm 90% sure those are the right changes. But yeah, there you guys go. I'll see you guys in the morning. Temperatures should start cooling down quite dramatically. Oh wow. -7.